stood before, at the time of the kings of France, the statue of King Louis XIV. But unfortunately, during the Revolution, all the bronze statues of the kings of France were melted down. Then where stood the statues, today there are other monuments. That's the Austerlitz column, which was made with the bronze of 1,200 cannon guns taken on the Austerlitz battlefield. In fact, the Vendôme column is directly copied from the Trajan column in Rome. You go to Rome, you know, your tour, yes, you will go to Rome. No? No. You went another time, but not this time for the kids, because sometimes it's interesting to compare some monument from a town to another, and then the Vendôme column was directly inspired by the Trajan column in Rome. Then the most interesting is not the column, because it's not very original for art. The most interesting is are the buildings around. They were all built, designed by Jules Hardouin Mansart. I will speak again about this architect today, because Jules Hardouin Mansart, he was the architect of the Hall of Mirrors.